Matchup in AFC Champions League Group A, a first ever group stage meeting between teams from Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. AGMK secured a stunning 2-2 draw on their competition debut. Istиқлол also drew on match day 1, but they're yet to get on the score sheet. AGMK, the right hand side of the penalty area, still on the ball here. Might be a shooting opportunity, and there is one. Wide of the target, Jovan Djokic looking up and having a go. Took aim at goal, just sliced it off target. Ball forward, keeper has to parry that one behind. Puts his hand up in apology to his teammates. Rustam Yatimov might have got his footing a bit wrong. It was a good hit in the end. Istиқлол to swing the ball into the box, and it's ended up in the bottom corner. Celebrations for FC Istиқлол. They take the lead just before the break. It's an own goal in the end, coming in off Jovan Djokic. And that changes the complexion of the half-time team talk. Maybe looking for a free kick. They don't get one, but they carry on. It's Rakhimov still running here. Rakhimov, he cuts it back. And the strike comes in at the near post. Istиқлол double the lead early on in the second half. Manucher Jalilov, it was the danger man. But it was a lovely cutback from teammate Muhammadjon Rahimov. Really worked hard to feed the ball to the number 63, and he smashed it in at the near post. Well, how about that? AGMK back in the game. Just moments after going 2-0 down. Zafar Polvonov it is. Keeper slipped on his way down. Polvonov's header in the bottom corner. It's Davronov bringing it forward for Istиқлол. Knocks it off to a teammate. Davronov's got it back, chips it into the penalty area. Brought down and fired into the bottom corner. Istиқлол lead by 2 once more. 10 minutes to play, and that might be that here. Davronov it was, chipping the ball into the area, but Muhammadjon Rahimov fired it past his namesake, Valijon Rahimov, in the AGMK goal. In the 90th minute here, it's whipped into the area for AGMK. There's a chance, and they get another goal. AGMK just will not give up on this one. Polvonov it is again. A little bit of fortune to get the ball, but he fired it away. Istиқлол hold on for their first win in Group A. AGMK gave it a real go, but it's finished AGMK 2, Istиқлол 3.